Guys, good evening and welcome to us with Simple J. And in today's video, I just want to show you an airdrop you need to participate on and how to participate on it. It's about a coin called what are they calling it? It's called what are they calling the coin name? SUISWAP. All right, it's actually a decentralized exchange for a new blockchain called SUI chain. All right, so the decentralized exchange and the SuiSwap is you can see swap platform on Sui blockchain. You know, so they are launching very soon, and currently you can end their airdrop by just answering simple quiz. All the quiz answered has been posted on our forum. All right, so you can check our forum for the answers to the quiz and earn XP token. So the XP token you earn will be converted to SuiSwap airdrop. All right, so try as much as possible to what are they calling it, to participate. Okay, you can do that quickly before it ends. So what you want to do is you need MetaMask. Okay, so once you come to MetaMask, just copy. I'm sure you should know how to use MetaMask now. For if you've been following our videos, the videos have been dropping. I've done the series of videos on MetaMask, on buying tokens on MetaMask. I done the one of Cardano, the one of Kava, So if you have watched those videos, the one on Arbitrum, then you should definitely know how MetaMask works. It's quite simple. So if you've not, just head straight to our forum, cryptotoilet.net, www.cryptotoilet.net. All right, and you should see the video there. All right, so if you head straight to our, in case you don't know how to set up MetaMask, because I won't be covering that in this video as I've already done that previously. So just have to head straight to our forum, cryptotoilet.net, as you can see from here. All right, so once you get to cryptotoilet.net, then you should see what are they calling it? You should see this courses here, right here. This particular one and this particular one. All right, just watch that of the call DAO. Okay, and once you watch it, then definitely you should know how to use MetaMask on mobile. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So let's get back to what I have for you guys. So what you want to do is simple. You just need to go to MetaMask, paste the link under this video description, or probably I will advise you go to our forum so that you'll be able to copy the link. All right, so it is it is necessary you copy the link directly so that it will take you to this place. Okay, so go to our forum and you will see a post regarding SuiSwap Airdrop. All right, then you see all the necessary info and the link you need to click to go to copy. So just copy the link and paste it on your MetaMask. Then you will come here. First and foremost, you will need to click on what connect. Okay, so they will ask you to connect, then but you will choose MetaMask, connect to MetaMask. All right, so you should see what are they calling it, your wallet address pops up. So I have different wallet address, so I will just choose one, then I will click on connect. All right, so while I'm trying to connect, okay, while I'm trying to connect, it will ask me to sign. All right, but trust me, honestly, this is a few coin mainnets anyway, so which means this thing might not go because I will need to add their own blockchain. Okay, so let's just try it and see if it will go. Now you can see it tell me that I should switch to Ethereum mainnet network. All right, so what you want to do is you click on this icon right here, this one. Okay, all right, so want to click on their icon. You want to click on it, then you will see this anything that is here right here, you just click on it. So you see different networks. So I will choose the Ethereum mainnet network and see, but I doubt it if it will connect anyway because we are supposed to connect to their own network directly. First, let's click connect MetaMask, then I click on sign. All right, so it connects, so that means they are using Ethereum network. That means they're actually using Ethereum network anyway, so no problem about that. So they're actually using Ethereum network, I guess. So since they're using Ethereum network, then I will just click on next, because normally initially they are creating their own blockchain, but since they are still using Ethereum network now, so no problem. So just connect to select Ethereum network and connect. So just click on next. All right, so it should bring you back to this this page. So click on got it. All right, so you should see all these questions like this. Okay, they will tell you on Bondi, thank you for joining the crew, blah 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 blah. They will ask you to to join their Discord. All right, just click on it. They will ask you to join their Discord. All right, so you can see, since crew WSP is automatically converted to Swiss point, you can get your SuiSwap governance token airdrop by participating in crew event, blah 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 blah. So you see all this one. So the reward is 50 XP to join their to join their Discord. So download Discord on Play Store. If you don't have register, then come back to join. Okay, so once you join Discord, once you click on Discord, it should take you to Discord. What are they calling it? It should take you to their Discord page. Okay, so just join the Discord and click on claim reward. Okay, so once you click on claim reward, okay, it tells you to join the Discord, link Discord. Okay, it tells you to link your Discord. Okay, so you click on link Discord, so it will load. See, it will load up. Alright, to load up, then Discord will show up here where it will tell you to log into your Discord. Alright, so I'll pause this video and log into my Discord. Alright, you can see I've logged into my Discord from MetaMask. You can see they will ask you to, you can see they will ask you, they will show you all these things. So all you just have to do is click on authorize. Okay, so I'm done with all of this. Okay, I'm done with the Discord part of it. Oh, they said we're unable to connect you with Discord. Okay, that's probably why, because my Discord okay, I think I've claimed it. Quest claimed. Alright, so it seems I've joined one of Discord successfully, and I've been able to claim the points. Okay, so the next one is this one, SUI Global Community Special Onboarding. Everything is locked, so you click on it again to take you to that page. They will ask you this question, SUI Global Community Special on board. So all the questions is on our forum already, so all you just have to do is go there and copy it. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'll just pause this video and try to fill it, because I don't want this video to be long. So this is the answer for the first one, Swiss Global Community Special on board. You will see it there. So, but everything is on our forum, just copy and paste. Okay, so I'll click claim reward. Alright, so you can see I've completed that one and I've claimed it. So this is the next one, SUI Ecosystem Community Special on board. So I'll go there again. Let me go and copy. So you can see this is the link to the airdrop right here, as you can see. Alright, so I will come here. Okay, so you can see this is the link to the airdrop. Alright, this is the answer. This is the answer for the onboarding. What are they calling it? The onboarding tax I'm currently filling. Okay, I'll fill in the number 1, then this is the number 2. I will copy it. I will go back. So I will just go back. Alright. Oh shit. I will go back. Alright. All right, I'll paste this, claim reward. All right, I've claimed this reward now. So now this is the next one. They will tell me to get 2-point certificate, unlock it at level 11. So if I click on this, they will ask you to join Twitter. Just join Discord. No, all this, just tweet, visit, experience the swap features, just perform all these tasks here. They are very, very simple. So I don't want this video to be long, so I will just pause it and do everything, but ensure you perform everything. It's as simple as that. Okay, boost, daily contest, all the things you need. Okay, so this is the basic quiz. Okay, so this is the basic quiz now that you need to quickly perform. Basic quiz. What is SuiSwap? All right, just come to our forum here. Then you will see the answers. What is SuiSwap? This is the quiz. This is the quiz. This thing right here. Okay, the answers, the quick answers. Just put them there. So you can just jump to the quiz and quickly perform that of the quiz and leave those tags above. But if you want to earn more, then you can perform those other tasks. But this quiz is important. You can see the answer here now is a unified swapping. You just choose it, then claim your reward. Okay, see, I've claimed this. So I'll perform all this and join our Twitter, blah 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 blah. I'll do that later. Let me focus more on the quiz for now. Okay, so then you see that let me focus on the quiz and fill in the quiz for now. So basic, when the SuiSwap project starts, you can see the answers here. 2022 9. Okay, you click on it. Okay, 2022 9. That is B. Claim reward. Okay, just ensure you do everything. So let me just pause the video and fill only all the quiz. Alright, so I've completed the news successfully. So I will just I will do all of this later on. I want to do this on my laptop, because I will do all this later on my laptop. Why? Because I have my Twitter logged in on my laptop and Discord, so I just want to connect to them automatically on my laptop and do everything once, instead of logging in from MetaMask. That can be stressful for me, but for you, if you don't have a laptop, you can just do everything here. So all this, I've performed the quiz. All these ones are just additional, so ensure you do all this so that you earn more points. Okay, so just try as much as possible to earn more points, and you can perform all these tasks as well and boost all of this thing right here. So you can just perform everything right here. It's quite simple. So that is it, guys. And once they start, you can just follow them on we see their Telegram stuff there, so that you get updates as to when it's time to start claiming. All right, you can also refer friends, all right, so that you earn more points. But try to fulfill all these tasks so that you earn more points. But for the quiz, everything is right on our forum. All right, Crypto Tutorial forum. So just copy this link and copy link and register, and just paste it on your on your MetaMask and fulfill all those tasks and just check out, use these answers right here. So that is, guys, for this video on airdrop. Okay, don't miss out on this airdrop. We never can tell the amount this airdrop is gonna be worth. Just like people of Arbitrum, you can see those airdrop worth huge money. Like I told you, when I first started trading crypto, what really helped me was airdrop. I made my first money in crypto with airdrop. Actually, I made $1,000 with airdrop, and that was the beginning. So I just had to invest the money. After I made $1,000, so the next thing I did was to double the money 10 times. That is $10,000. Then from there, I started investing to 200 on different currencies and cryptocurrencies on Binance. That was how I started making money, and that is how today I've made a lot of money with crypto. I trade forex, futures, crypto, everything whatsoever. I have a lot of money to invest in crypto, but I started with airdrop. Airdrop is your surest bet to start, most especially for those of you that don't really have money. So that is it. So don't joke with airdrop, please. I will still be doing a couple of airdrops like that of Arbitrum. Okay, like that kind of Arbitrum airdrop. I'll be doing a lot of airdrop, other ones. We've all missed on Arbitrum airdrop, but I'm gonna do a couple of airdrop you can position yourself for. So I will do a video of it. Alright, so expect the video on our forum. Just register on this forum and keep an eye on our YouTube channel as well. So thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful night rest.